Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows Media Player is present and updated. This avoids format mismatches. Once done, find the media file you want to play: MP3, MP4, WMA, WMV, or A. WPL playlist, and don't waste time on settings yet. You can double-click the file or right-click and choose Open with Windows Media Player to launch it directly. This first action loads the library and player UI. Make sure the file association is set. You now control playback and organize content. Use play, pause, stop, next, previous, and the seek bar to jump to a point. The keyboard shortcuts like space for play/pause speed things up. Once done, add folders to the library via Organize Manage Libraries Music so new files appear automatically. Make sure to adjust volume and toggles for repeat or shuffle depending on your mood, and switch between library and now playing view to access visualizations, playlists, and detailed track info. You finish by saving any curated playlist or exporting it. Drag tracks into the playlist pane and choose File Save Now Playing List so you can return later. If you need to rip or burn audio CDs, use the Rip and Burn tabs and follow prompts. Remember, formats and codecs matter. If playback fails, check for missing codecs, try a different file to rule out corruption, reinstall or update Windows Media Player, and reboot. This simple sequence resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.